Creating a login form in Webflow involves using Webflow's native form elements and integrating it with third-party authentication services like MemberStack, Etc., or Firebase. As Webflow doesn't support built-in user authentication by default, here's a step-by-step guide. Design the login form in Webflow. Open your Webflow project and go to the page where you want to add the login form. From the Add panel, drag in a form block. Inside the form, add 2 text fields and label them as email and password. Add the Submit button and label it Login. Style the form using Webflow's design tools to match your site's look. Integrate authentication. Sign up for a membership service like MemberStack, Etc., or Firebase. Follow their documentation to connect the login form to their system. For example, MemberStack provides scripts and form attributes you will need to add in Webflow. Set up login redirects, member-only content, and form validation. Publish and test. Publish your Webflow site. There's a login process to ensure it authenticates users properly and redirects them as expected.